Next technique that we're going to observe is distillation, and it essentially refers to separating miscible liquids. Miscible means like liquids that can dissolve in each other based on different boiling points, and this divides into fractional and just simple distillation depending on like how the difference between the boiling points are. If the difference is vast, we usually use simple distillation. If the difference is narrow, we use fractional distillation. This is just like a couple of side notes that I took. I wanted to know the difference between vaporization and evaporation, and apparently vaporization is just the act of becoming gas. Solid to gas is also vaporization, although we just usually term it as sublimation. Liquid to gas is also a case of vaporization, but evaporation specifically refers to liquid becoming gas at the surface of the liquid, and also it occurs at the low boiling point. A couple of other things that we really need to know is that the difference between evaporation and boiling is that the vaporization pressure is smaller than the atmospheric pressure in evaporation, and boiling point refers to this essentially. Now let's look at chromatography. Chromatography is essentially separating mixture components based on differences in affinity between the mobile phase and the stationary phase. So the mobile phase would always be the sort of solvent, and the stationary phase would be the paper. So any sorts of mixtures or any sort of dyes usually used in chromatography, if they have greater affinity to the mobile phase, which is the solvent, they're going to move up the chromatography paper. If they have greater affinity to the stationary phase, which is the paper, it generally means that they have less solubility in the solvent, so they'll move less. The next technique to look into